Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on this beautiful, quick and easy fall glam makeup look. It's literally using just a couple eyeshadows. I thought you guys would enjoy this type of video. It's very easy and quick. It's so easy to achieve and there's literally no skill into it, and a beautiful bold lip. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Now first, as always, we're going to be priming our eyelids, and I have some powder set to catch fallout. We're using this Amuse palette in Passion. I found this on GiveEmShade.com, and we're just using that medium warm tone brown. Use any warm tone brown you want. Use any color you want here, actually. Whatever transition, crease color you personally want. And we're going to windshield wiper that into our crease. And I'm going to build it up a little over time, so that way it doesn't become right off the bat overpowering. The shadows are pretty pigmented for $2. The Amuse eyeshadows have definitely impressed me. They're very good quality for such a cheap price, and so is Kleancolor. Amazing stuff I've been finding on JB Eves and Shop Muse through them. So awesome. Now I'm gonna, as a secondary base for my lid, I'm using the LaColors Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Spring. And it has a golden shimmer to it, so that's why I chose to use this one. It's kind of greenish too. And I'm using the first Amuse palette I have in TEMPTRESS. And I'm gonna pick up that mustardy kind of dark yellow shade there, borderline on the green side as well, and I'm going to pat that into that shimmery base. Also, you want to make sure you blend that secondary base out really well, or it may crease on you. Going back in with the first palette, we're taking this golden shimmery shadow here, and I'm going to lay that over top of that to customize a shade that I had in my head. Basically, I wanted like a mustardy kind of yellow on the lid, so I mixed the two shades together like that to make the shade I was actually thinking about in my head. And we're going to blend down any edges we have where the crease and the lid shade meet. And I'm taking a fluffy shadow brush, an oversized shadow brush at that, and we're using a highlight shade. Any highlight shade you personally want to use. It's all about personal preference and what you like and what's your favorite. But yes, a highlight shade nonetheless. I'm going to blend down all the edges, tone that down a bit, and warm the crease back up a bit where we blended the nude shade in as our highlights. Now we're wiping away all of our loose powder. Of course, we're going to be tight lining with our Milani Stay Put eyeliner. Love this eyeliner, by the way. Look how tiny it is. And we're also going to be using this Jordana 24-hour eyeshadow pencil in Continious Almond. I always like this for my waterline. And I'm smudging that a little bit into my lashes as well, just to make my lower waterline appear larger than what it is, more awake, more wide open, not to close the eyes off. And I'm using the Physicians Formula 2-in-1 EyeBooster eyeliner pen. For this, I'm just making a basic wing. You can leave the wing out if you want, but I just thought that this helped bump it up to like a glam level. The wing, the basic eye look, and then the beautiful bold lip. We're using the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. Love this mascara. Look at my lashes, I just love them. And that's the finished look. Told you guys it was super easy and simple. And we're using this lip gloss from BH Cosmetics in Nude Rose. The shade is actually Elizabeth. It's very beautiful. These are not sticky. They're so nice on the lips. And it just really helped to bring this look together. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Hope you found it helpful. Ring the bell and subscribe if you haven't already. Check the description bar for additional links and products list and stuff like that. So thank you guys again for watching.